We're gonna start this project with a small brush, water and a little bit of blue paint. We'll start by creating an outline of the house. First we'll paint outline of the front of the house, then we'll add a triangle roof on top. Next you can add side of the house. Now we'll make roof three-dimensional by adding 2 more lines. Next we'll add 2 curved lines connecting door of the house to the bottom of the artwork. Now you can paint an arch to create outline of the door. Next we'll create a square outline for the window on the side of the house. We'll add 2 curved lines connecting bottom of the house to the sides of the artwork. Next we'll switch to a large brush and blue paint to outline house above the horizon line and to paint in everything above the line. You can add lighter shade of blue to add texture to the background. We'll cover background with small light blue brush strokes. Next, you can dip your brush in white paint and cover everything below the horizon line. Next, we'll switch to a medium-sized brush and blue paint to outline and paint in our window. After wiping your brush with paper towel, you can use light shade of brown to outline and paint in front of the house. Next, we'll use dark brown paint to outline and paint in side of the house. Next, you can outline and paint in the door. You can add second layer of paint if it seems too transparent. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in white paint and add a white line above the right side of the roof. Next, you can outline and paint in the left side of the roof. We'll keep using white paint to create a white circle to the right of the house. You can add second layer if paint is too transparent. We'll keep using white paint to create a candy cane shape on the left side of the house. We'll add another cane on the left and right side of the door. We'll switch to a small brush and green paint to create a circle above the door. Next, we'll add couple green round candies on the edges of the path leading to the house. Now you can add couple green candies on top of the roof. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in purple paint and repeat the same steps you did with green. We'll add candy to the path and to the roof. After wiping your brush, you can use orange paint to add orange candy. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in pink paint to add pink candy on the edges of the path and on the roof. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in white paint to outline the door and add a doorknob. Next, we'll outline window. We'll add a horizontal and vertical lines to the window. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in red paint and add round candy on the edges of the path. Next, we'll add couple red candies on top of the roof. Now you can add a red spiral on top of white lollipop. Next, we'll paint a straight red line connecting lollipop to the ground. Next, you can add red stripes on top of each candy cane. Now we can add small red dots on top of green mistletoe. After wiping your brush, you can use yellow paint to add yellow candy. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in white paint. We'll add small dots in the background to paint snowflakes. We'll keep using white paint to add triangle icicles on the edges of the roof. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.